I don't want to say this on camera. Philadelphia. Coffee. Honestly, I wanted to be a mermaid. Family, margarita, and a bath. To read people's minds. Maldives. Both. I am a vegetarian, but if I'm on death row, it would be a cheese and bacon cheeseburger, side of fries, side of mac and cheese, and a vanilla milkshake with cream on top. Talk to animals. Dolly Parton, Jolene. My husband, so when he says he's tired, he'll know what tired really means. Cats. My nan, my granddad, and then my mum and my dad, because I think that would just be funny, all of us together, so yeah. Sad. I'd like to play the piano. I would stay at the age I'm at now because I would say this is the age where I really know myself. I really haven't before, so I'd stay where I am now. Can't decide, both. Ozark. Lisa, because we would have a lot of fun. I don't want to say this on camera. I like plane spotting, so that is something that I do in my spare time. I could tell you what plane was in the sky just by looking at it, which is very sad, but yeah.